call it.
Slow the down!
What was that? Being cut off is a part of the bike life. It's going to happen daily. Stay vigilant all the time. What was that? What was that? Dude, you were like that far from my front tire. Dude, you gotta use your mirrors, man. We're out there everywhere. We don't all ride together, man. Be careful, please. All right, brother. Just be safe. Watch for us, man. All right, brother. Have a good one. Yeah, nah, yeah. All right, man. Be good. Why don't you let them in? The lady who attacked this biker is known to be a very angry lady in that neighborhood. What happened?
You keep this up with that motorcycle. You keep it up with the motorcycle. You keep that up, okay?
Okay. Call it.
Slow the down!
Call the police. Go ahead, please.
Slow down with that motorcycle. In and out of here.
When riding in big groups, please ride in a formation to avoid this. That was close. This biker had no chill.
You actually maniac. You realise you almost knocked me off the road. I was scraping the pavement. Well, look then.
You don't own the road, so share it safely with other people.
Are you okay in your head? Are you okay in your head? Are you go around the corner? No, you're driving. I was in the way.
No,
don't
because
do that.
this is...
I was no. It's called
Sorry. Sorry, because...
Did you get that on your camera?
Recorder, yeah.
Did you see what she was doing?
Yeah.
Okay, can we go around the corner so she can call the police? Because I was just gonna go. Okay, thank you very much. Come on, what are you doing? We're holding up traffic. Come on.
Don't let yourself zone out. Only a small percentage of you are actually subscribed. Smash that subscribe button to help us rebuild our community. Thanks. This driver passed the bike on the right and nearly hit him.
Então, e tens que passar a se arrasar. Foda-se, olha aqui.
Road rage will force you to make so many mistakes, it will put your safety at risk. Imagine if this biker was going a tiny bit faster. Remember, speed always affects your safety. This is just your typical road rage situation, but the biker wasn't part of it. Remember, every good deed counts. Don't miss out on an opportunity to do a good thing.
No mate, your door's not shut properly. Your door's not shut properly, mate. Oh really? No. Too big. That's a bit better, mate. No worries, mate.
Biker accidentally hit the mirror and this is the aftermath.
Only clip your mirror, mate. What? I clip your mirror off because it's flimsy.
Yeah, but don't you stop? Just drive on, do you?
Yeah, because the traffic was moving, so it wouldn't be safe to stop on an A road.
Lunatic, mate. You didn't even ease up.
No,
You just hit and
no,
run.
because I'm stuck. Because it's on an A road and I'm in between traffic.
Yeah.
I need to get out, don't I?
You don't ease up. You just power away.
Yeah.
Got it on your cam?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Can you show me it then?
I can't.
YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video.